In this video, I cleaned a shared headstone for two siblings named Mattie and Willie Strong. Mattie and Willie died 1 month apart from each other. I'm starting with Mattie's side. Mattie was born on March 27, 1884 in Ozark County, Missouri. She was the first of 7 children born to Henry and Sarah, or Sally, Sanders Strong. When Mattie was born, Henry was 19 and Sally was 24. When Mattie was 2, her brother Homer joined the family, and at the age of 4, her sister Addie Mae was born. William, or Willie, was the next sibling born when Mattie was 7. Willie was born on May 24, 1892. He was Henry and Sally's 4th child and second-born son. At this point, Henry was 27 and Sally was 32. Henry owned a sawmill and farmed while Sally worked as a housewife. Mattie and Willie both spent their short lives living in Bridges Township in Ozark County, Missouri. Willie was the first one to pass away on May 8, 1898, at the age of 6. 1 month later, Mattie followed on June 7, 1898, at the age of 14. The siblings are buried together and share a headstone, with their inscriptions on opposite sides of the stone from each other. I wasn't able to find any information on the children's cause of death. In the year 1900, the 3 leading causes of death were pneumonia, tuberculosis, and enteritis. Combined with diphtheria, these illnesses accounted for 1/3 of all deaths in that time period. Given they died only 1 month apart, one of these contagious diseases probably caused the untimely passing of Mattie and Willie. The Strongs' 5 other children lived well into adulthood and started families of their own. Concerning the Strong family and local news, I did find one newspaper article from the Ozark County News dated May 5th, 1898, which was only 3 days before Willie would pass away. His father Henry had an accident working at his sawmill. The article stated, Henry Strong, of near Ambrose, we learn, met with a serious accident Monday morning. While working in the sawmill owned by himself and Henry Wood of this place, he got overbalanced on the log carriage and fell backward, striking the saw and completely amputating the middle finger of the left hand and severely bruising him otherwise. He came to Gainesville the same day, and doctors Beach and White dressed his wounds and at last accounts were improving rapidly. 12 years after the children passed away, the 1910 census listed the Strong family living in Jasper Township in Ozark County, Missouri. At some point after this, the family moved to Lincoln County in Oklahoma. Henry passed away in 1925 at the age of 60. Sally followed him 17 years later at the age of 81. They are buried together in New Zion Cemetery in Chandler, Oklahoma. Mattie and Willie are buried together at Patrick Cemetery in Luna, Missouri. Both children have a flower engraved on the top of their stone. Their stone is unique because of the pink granite. A large amount of pink granite from Missouri in the early 1900s came from Elephant Rocks State Park, which opened its first quarry in 1869. I wonder if that's where this beautiful stone came from. On one side of the stone is an engraving of a mansion-like house. It's very large and luxurious looking. The epitaph beneath reads, "In my Father's house are many mansions," which is a verse from the Bible. I wasn't able to find any photos of Willie or Mattie. I did find these 2 separate photos of their parents, Henry and Sally Strong. Someone cropped their headshots out of a group photo and then added them to their individual Find a Grave pages, but I wasn't able to find the original photo they were cropped out of, unfortunately. Here are the before and after pictures of their stone. This first one is Mattie's before and after, and this one is Willie's before and after. I took the after shots 3 months after the first cleaning. You probably noticed the bird poop on the side with the mansion on it. I wasn't able to do any cleaning to the stone the day I went to check, because right when we pulled up to the cemetery, the caretaker was there unloading his lawnmower. He was very polite. He waited for us to take our pictures, and he did tell us some history about the cemetery, but I just didn't want to hold him up of getting the lawn mowing done while I took my time cleaning more stuff. So I will have to go back another day for that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.